Hi guys, welcome back to Dadlicious Eats, and today we're going to be making homemade air fryer pizza pockets. They're crispy, they're cheesy, and they're one of the best after school snacks for children. They're quick, they're filling, and they're better than anything you can find in the freezer aisle. Let's get cooking. Now we only need a few simple things. So we start off white tortilla wraps. So the big ones, not the small ones. These cost what? £1, £1.30. Grated cheese, use pre-grated if you want, or freshly grated. I'm using a blend of mozzarella and cheddar. I'm going to pop in some pepperoni slices into mine. Feel free, this is where you can start to get creative and mix it up. In goes the seasoning as well. So we've got oregano here. I'm using pepper, I'm using salt. Tweak it however you want, however your children like it. A little bit of flour. We'll be mixing this with water to make a paste to seal the pizza pockets. And finally, a little bit of oil just to give it a nice golden crust. We've seen the ingredients. None of that costs very much money. They're so flexible with regards to what you can put in there. So let's make up the filling first. Take one bowl. In goes our cheese. In go our herbs. And our pepperoni. Just going to cut these in half. And we're just going to give this a nice mix around. Split out the pepperoni. And we're good. And that's it. That is my filling that's going to go in the pizza pockets. Let's go ahead. Let's preheat the air fryer to about 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. So take your tortilla. Cut that in half. And what we'll do is we'll end up folding over this way. We'll fold over in half that way and that way. Then in the middle, what you've got is your pocket to put in your filling. First up though, I've got the flour, just added a little bit of water in. And all we're going to do is make a little paste. What this is going to do is just giving us enough of a sticking agent so that we can stick together our wraps. That's fine. Just a gummy paste. So take a little bit of this. First of all, we're going to seal up this area. So all you need to do is pop on a little bit. Fold that over. And there we have it. It's good to go. Next stage is pop in our cheese and our pepperoni. That's pretty good. I'll take that. Again, we're going to take a little bit of our paste, just work it in to the edge. Then we're going to use, the reason I'm using a fork is because we're then going to go ahead and crimp these. So we're sealing them up. That's good to pop in the fryer. In they go, pop them in. I've got a couple here that I've made. Finally, just a little small covering. We'll spray, we'll use a brush just of oil, just so they come out nice and crispy and golden. Pop them in, and 6-7 minutes later, we're good to go. These really are perfect for after school. They're handheld, no cutlery needed, they're flexible, you can put whatever you want in there, so perfect for fussy eaters. You can batch make them, so make them up, pop them in the freezer, take them out, 10 minutes and you're done. These have been cooking for 6-7 minutes. Let's have a look. One of these is split open, so apologies for that, but this one looks absolutely perfect. Nice and crispy on the outside, and this is going to be super delicious and filling on the inside. Leave it a few minutes. We all know cheese, molten cheese, is hotter than the inside of the planet itself, so let's come back to it. Right, let's have a look. Yes, look at that inside. Beautiful, beautiful. It's like a little pizza for your children. 10 minutes from start to finish. So if you're looking for quick after school snacks that your children will actually ask for, why not give these a go? They're a no-brainer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like, hit subscribe. Got loads of videos I want to share with you, but I'll be back with more recipes soon. Take care.